Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just gonna make a fun video. Irma. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do a little bit of flipping. Chloe, move! Psycho. Kobe, stop it. Stop it, Kobe. Double back. Back to front. I'm gonna try to land it though. Good?
Yeah, go. The ghetto window's in the way. The window's inside of the camera.
Hurricane Irma, we survived.
Now do a front flip.
We survived Hurricane Irma. The struggles of Hurricane Irma. Had to rebuild the trampoline. Oh crap, freaking earthquake right now. Earthquake! Look at the debris in our pool. There's a soccer ball on our roof. The struggles of Hurricane Irma. Our dogs almost flew away. Look at the damage of Hurricane Irma.
Hurricane Irma was like a month ago.
Hurricane Irma was coming. Look at the disaster in here. Look at Hurricane
Already gone.
Irma. Hurricane Irma.
He's going to YouTube Hurricane Irma.
Wait. Where'd Kobe go?
Toby! Get your stupid.
Look at the damage of Hurricane Irma. With the force winds, it just destroyed our garage roof. Barely survived. Look at the debris in our yard. Look. Would you look at the debris in our yard? Look at all the other houses with the debris in their yard.
Kobe!
Hurricane Irma has just passed.
Like a month ago.
Alright, thanks for watching Hurricane